In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Gemini on the Samsung Galaxy A16. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so you can switch between Google Assistant and Google Gemini whenever you want. Before we start, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that the Google app is up to date from the Play Store. Availability of Gemini can vary by country, language, and account settings, so if you don't see the option right away, an update or a little patience may be all you need. Let's begin. First, open the Google app on your Galaxy A16. This is the app with the multicolored G icon. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That opens your account menu where you can adjust app preferences. Next, tap Settings. This takes you into the main configuration area for the Google app. From there, choose Google Assistant. This is where Google manages voice assistants and related features on your device. Inside the Assistant settings, tap Digital Assistant. This section controls which assistant runs when you use assistant features on your phone. Here, you'll see a list of available options. Now, select Google Gemini. The moment you choose Google Gemini, your device sets it as the default assistant experience. If you're prompted to review terms or permissions, go ahead and accept them so everything works smoothly. That's it. You've enabled Gemini. The next time you access your assistant from supported entry points, you'll get the Gemini interface and responses. If you decide you prefer the previous experience, disabling Gemini is just as simple. Return to the same digital assistant screen using the exact path we just used and select Google Assistant again. Your phone will immediately switch back, and you can repeat this anytime you want to compare the two or change your default. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you can't find the Gemini option, check for updates to the Google app and Google Play services, then relaunch the app. Also, some features roll out gradually, so the option may appear later depending on your region or account. If you made a change and nothing seems to happen, give the app a moment, then close and reopen it. And that's all you need. Open the Google app, go to your profile, enter Settings, tap Google Assistant, then Digital Assistant, and pick Google Gemini to enable it, or switch back the same way to disable it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your assistant of choice on the Galaxy A16.